Good morning, guys. I think it's morning. Yeah, we'll go with morning. I've not vlogged for a while, mainly because Michelle's been off and decided to spend some time together, a bit of quality time with each other, without the distractions. I hope you'll forgive me. But a couple of days ago, I made myself some bread. Now, as you know, with homemade bread, it doesn't keep as long as the stuff that you buy in the shop, so I'm gonna have to use it up today. So I think I'll use it to make some bacon butties. We've got a delivery coming and we can't get in the house, so me and Michelle's just fought our way to get a shovel out the shed, and now what I'm going to have to try and do is make it so that the delivery guy can get at the house. Not going to be good, but has to be done. Okay guys, I took a 5-minute break and changed my hat. I'm getting there. I'm not going to do too much more. I'm just going to clear a path to the front so the delivery man can get in, and I'm going to throw away all our table salt and salt all this, because I don't have any rock salt or anything like that, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay guys, that will do for our delivery man. I'll put salt on that. Hopefully it won't be too bad, because it is below freezing and it's set to go even colder, so I think that's what we're going to be fighting with for the next week. But as long as it don't put too much more snow down, I can keep on top of that, right? I just had a quick news with our neighbour there. They've managed to get the car out, but they're not too confident about getting it back in again, so they might park on the road. That was them setting off down. They did stop and ask us if we needed anything, which is very kind of them. Appreciate that. We don't actually, other than cat treats, which are allegedly being delivered today, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna go in now, warm up, have a cup of coffee. It's snowing again, but at least that's melted. And the good news is the Amazon delivery guy has arrived, so we're not going to run out of cat treats, which was a danger, and it was going to make the cat all antsy, make my life a misery by him pestering me. But yeah, it's going dark and it started snowing again. Good morning guys. I'll say morning, it's just gone 12. It's set to go a lot colder. It's set to get down to -6, so it might be a good idea for me to revisit this and get rid of some of this. We've got deliveries coming, and if I don't get rid of it, it's going to turn into ice. The trees are looking beautiful. There's no wind. Doesn't feel cold because there's no wind, but it's getting there. Oh, I'll get this done, clear the back, clear out the heat pump, and we should be set for a few days because it's not due to snow for a bit.